When you search for Phono cartridges under $500, everything looks the same. Same brands, same flashy claims. But to really find what works for your turntable, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Audiophiles 2M Blue. First up is the Audiophiles 2M Blue moving magnet phono cartridge, priced at $217. What caught my attention was its ability to deliver a richer sound compared to its predecessor, the 2M Red. If you want to enhance your vinyl listening experience with more dynamics and detail, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you. The 2M Blue features a nude elliptical diamond stylus, which not only provides better tracking but also reproduces more details in your music. It's designed to fit most turntables, making it a great upgrade. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, many users rave about the clarity and openness in sound. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it could be steep for casual listeners. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your vinyl, investing in a cartridge like this can genuinely enhance your experience. It's not just about sound, it's about the connection you feel with the music. This is perfect for you if you're an audiophile looking for a noticeable upgrade without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you primarily listen to digital music and don't have a good turntable. Alright, that was a solid option. But if the 2M Blue's price tag seems a bit high, the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 2, Audiophiles 2M Red Stealth. Next up is the Audiophiles 2M Red Moving Magnet Phono Cartridge, specifically the limited edition stealth version, priced at $109.99. I was drawn to its reputation for delivering a warm, dynamic sound that many vinyl lovers appreciate. If you want a reliable cartridge that won't empty your wallet, this should catch your eye. It features an elliptical diamond stylus, which means you get better tracking without distortion. The stealth version is a limited edition, which adds a unique touch for collectors. With a strong 4.7-star rating from 2,700 reviewers, it's clear that users love the balanced sound it provides. Now, I did see some complaints about its performance on higher-end turntables, with some users feeling it didn't fully realize their setup's potential. But honestly, for the price, it's an outstanding choice for most listeners. It's particularly great for those who are just starting their vinyl journey. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable cartridge that's easy to set up and sounds great. Skip this one if you're a seasoned audiophile with a high-end turntable requiring something more specialized. Now, if the 2M Red's limitations bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Audiophiles 2M Bronze. Moving on, we have the Audiophiles 2M Bronze Moving Magnet Phono Cartridge, priced at $459.99. What really stood out to me was its promise of superior resolution and detail. If you're looking for a cartridge that takes your listening experience to the next level, this one's definitely worth considering. It's compatible with most turntables, and many users report a significant improvement in the nuances of their music. With a 4.6-star rating from 232 reviews, it's clear this cartridge has a solid reputation. Now, some users mentioned that this model might be overkill for casual listeners. They felt it was best suited for those who really appreciate the subtle details in their music. But here's my take: if you love your vinyl and want to hear it at its best, this is an investment that pays off. This is perfect for you if you're an avid collector or someone who truly values audio fidelity. Skip this one if you only listen to records occasionally and prefer a more budget-friendly option. Alright, that was a premium choice, but if you're looking for something more specialized, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Audiophiles 2M78. Next is the Audiophiles 2M78 Moving Magnet Phono Cartridge, priced at $169.99. What caught my eye was its specialized design for 78 RPM shellac records. If you've got a collection of vintage records, this could be a game changer for you. This cartridge features a R65 micro-M spherical diamond, perfect for handling the larger grooves of shellac records. Many users have found that it revitalizes their old records, making them sound fresh again. With a 4.6-star rating from 222 reviewers, it's a trusted choice among vintage enthusiasts. One downside is that it's specifically designed for 78 RPM records, so it won't be your go-to for standard LPs. However, if you're an avid collector of those classic shellac records, it's a worthy investment. Skip this one if you don't own any 78 RPM records and prefer standard playback. Now, if the niche focus of the 2M78 isn't quite what you're after, the last one on my list might provide a broader appeal. Product number 5, Denon DL103. Finally, we have the Denon DL103 moving coil turntable phono cartridge priced at $399. This cartridge is known for its classic status in the industry, and honestly, that caught my attention right away. If you want a cartridge with a long-standing reputation for performance, this might be the one for you. It's compatible with a variety of turntables and has a 4.5-star rating from 171 reviews, indicating that it has satisfied many users over the years. Its impedance of 40 ensures compatibility with most phono stages, which is a big plus. Now, some users noted that it may require a bit more setup to get it perfectly dialed in, which can be a hassle for beginners. But let's be real, once you get it right, the payoff is worth it. It's a well-respected choice for serious vinyl listeners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cartridge with a proven track record of quality. Skip this one if you prefer simpler setups and aren't willing to invest time in fine-tuning. So that wraps up our list. Each of these cartridges has its strengths and special features, catering to different needs and budgets. To recap, we covered the Audiophiles 2M Blue, Audiophiles 2M Red Stealth, Audiophiles 2M Bronze, Audiophiles 2M78, and Denon DL103. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, there's something here for everyone under $500. Take your time, consider your needs, and happy listening.